Welcome to an intriguing journey into the world of foxes, where cunning and adaptability meet in the wild. In this one-hour documentary, we will unveil the fascinating and often hidden aspects of fox life that will leave you with a deeper appreciation for these clever creatures. Foxes are masters of survival in diverse landscapes. Join us as we explore the secret world of foxes, from their remarkable hunting strategies to their uncanny ability to adapt to changing environments. Contrary to their solitary reputation, foxes can be surprisingly social. We'll delve into the intricate dynamics of fox families, their complex hierarchies, and the bonds that form within these tight-knit groups. Foxes are not just sly. They are incredibly intelligent. Witness their problem-solving skills, remarkable memory, and the clever strategies they employ to outwit both prey and predators. Foxes are skilled hunters, but their techniques vary depending on their prey. Explore the fascinating hunting methods employed by different fox species, from stalking to pouncing. Foxes have a wide range of vocalizations, each with a unique purpose. Join us as we decode the fox's language, from eerie screams to the playful barks of kits at play. Foxes have earned a reputation as cunning tricksters in mythology and folklore. We'll journey through the cultural significance of foxes in different cultures and the stories they've inspired. Foxes have adapted surprisingly well to city life. Discover the challenges and opportunities that urban environments offer to these resilient animals. Despite their adaptability, foxes face conservation challenges in the wild. We'll explore the threats to their populations and the efforts being made to protect them and their ecosystems. Foxes are known for their adaptability. We'll delve into their incredible hunting techniques, keen senses, and the strategies that make them some of the most successful predators in the wild. Foxes are not solitary creatures as often believed. Discover the intricate social dynamics within fox families, from sibling rivalries to the bonds that hold them together. Foxes are vocal tricksters with a wide range of calls and sounds. Join us as we decode their language and explore the fascinating ways they communicate with one another. Foxes have long been associated with cunning in folklore and mythology. We'll unravel the myths and legends surrounding these creatures and explore the cultural significance they hold in various societies. Witness the heartwarming journey of fox mothers as they raise their playful kits. Learn about the nurturing and protective instincts that define the family life of foxes. Foxes have adapted to urban life in surprising ways. We'll explore their presence in cities and the challenges they face in a world increasingly dominated by humans. Foxes have left their mark in art, literature, and popular culture. Join us on a journey through time as we explore the symbolism and representations of foxes in human creativity. Foxes face a range of conservation challenges, from habitat loss to persecution. Discover the efforts being made to protect these cunning canids and the crucial role they play in ecosystems. As our journey through the world of foxes comes to a close, we contemplate their future in a changing world. Will these clever creatures continue to thrive, or will their legacy be confined to the pages of history? Our exploration into the captivating world of foxes has revealed a tapestry of wonder and complexity. These animals are not just symbols of cunning. They are symbols of adaptability, intelligence, and the resilience of nature. Join us again as we continue to uncover the hidden wonders of the animal kingdom. Until then, let the spirit of the fox inspire us to protect these remarkable beings and the vital roles they play in our ecosystems.